All right, so let's get to that asbestos story now. It's the 255 million rand asbestos pre-trial hearing. It's taking place in the Free State High Court today. The case relates to the alleged irregular awarding of the 255 million rand asbestos roof removal contract. Former Free State Premier Ace Magashule and 17 co-accused are facing charges of fraud, corruption and money laundering. So SABC News reporter Makgala Masiteng is on that story for us. Makgala, I think we've got you up now. So just talk to us about this story and what we're expecting in court today.
Good morning, Leanne. Yes, we are still outside the Free State High Court. What I can tell you is that we have already seen legal representatives arriving and some of the accused, including Olimla Mlili, arriving. As you would know, today the day was set for a pre-trial hearing, but we do know due to the latest development after that judgment by the Constitutional Court, that now things have changed. We would need to get a direction from Judge Philip Lobster today as to what is going to happen from now. Now, what the Constitutional Court had said on Friday is that indeed the extradition of Moradi Cholota from the US to South Africa was unlawful, but that doesn't mean that this court cannot trial her. So remitting or rather retaining that trial within a trial matter back to the Free State High Court to deal with other grounds. And some of the things that they noted in that judgment was that in fact the state was deprived of an opportunity to actually argue on the matter that was raised by Moradi Cholota's counsel during the closing remarks when they brought up the judgment of the SCA that indicated that the minister is the one to be responsible for doing the extradition. But however, at that point the High Court did dismiss that objection by the NPA, but now the Court is saying that the High Court erred in doing that. Leanne, I just want to bring in Mthunzi Mhaga just to talk about what we can expect today, just briefly, just to take us through what exactly we can expect after that judgment by the Court. What exactly are we going to expect today? Thank you very much for joining us, Mthunzi. Of course, a lot was said by the Court on this matter. Now we are here. What can we expect?
Remember, the Constitutional Court says we are remitting the matter to the High Court. That means Lobster J today needs to indicate to us if he needs time to apply his mind to the remaining grounds that had been mounted by Ms. Cholota's team on the special plea that they had raised. We don't have to argue, we don't have to rerun the trial within a trial because all those grounds are on record. There is evidence to that effect that was rebutted, and there's also arguments that are on record. So we expect him, according to our interpretation of the judgment, to make a ruling on that. Yes, it will have a bearing on the other accused case, given the fact that Ms. Cholota has to be part of the main case. But you'll recall that the only delay in the matter was in respect of an appeal that we had mounted as the NPA. But other delays were at the instance of other accused persons that had brought interlocutory applications.
Thank you very much. We'll catch up and give you more details, Leanne, as to what exactly is going to happen today at the Free State High Court. But basically, that's what we are expecting, Leanne.
All right, Makgala, we'll leave it there for now, and we'll no doubt stay in touch with you throughout the day here on SABC News.